Hey guys, you're driving with Joe. On today's Tune In Tuesday episode, I'm going to show you how to use the power motion activated liftgate on your vehicle. To start, what you want to do is have your intelligent key fob either in your pocket or in your bag with you, and then you can head to your vehicle and do a swift kicking motion underneath the bumper. The key to making it work is to do a swift straight kick right underneath the bumper, as you noticed in the previous clip. Most important thing is that you don't wave your foot from left to right or right to left, because it will not activate the motion sensor. So you need to just do a straight kick under the bumper, and then you can open and also close the liftgate doing that. That's all for today's Tune In Tuesday episode, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. Leave a comment and tell me why you liked it or why you didn't like it, and I'll definitely tweak my videos to make them better for you. Subscribe to support the Driving with Joe channel, and we'll see you guys next week for another episode of Tune In Tuesday.